We get a daughter.
Alright,
Guys, so my
daughter.
graduation took me. I'm gonna take a picture today.
You feel
Look a girl.
Chill.
But they have in the braces, but you can't see.
This our next something. What is going on?
And this is our other picture.
This is how you show me. I
have to show the fans them first.
Area, you have fans. So I show the fans them before she show me.
I show my fans them because every time they play them, I say, whoa.
Fine to go fans. She look nice though.
Make a stick up
Like
class.
what was your color? Dark blue? Yeah. With did this a yellow with what?
Yellow with burgundy.
How many for this go? But you check this on the chair.
Oh, this is nice. Alia.
Job on our purse. Mommy, that this in there. So chat me also buy this.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
a cushion. It's back up now, back up. This is a cushion we buy.
You could buy two.
Bash. Cool.
Well,
Well.
you could buy two.
You could
buy two of one.
Serious, so.
Girl, back.
Okay, but I get this
No, not for my bed. This is for my chair.
She's
Mommy, ease up, mommy. This is for in there. This is in there. Yeah, graduation. Hold on.
Cause I feel good.
Chat, this is the chair.
So good. So good. I got you.
Mommy, I take my shine. You steal my shine. So chat, this are the pillow in my chair.
Give me my fans. Look on that Sienna, she cute.
Oh, man, steal her shine.
Look how that Sienna cute. Wish this one.
Girl, don't wish I was nobody. Stop me, tell about them.
America,
That's the sign of jealousy.
Okay then. And it's my best.
You have to tell her the truth from now.
Look, make a sticker with this.
I love my church.
Let's bring it back now.
Tell me say me look artist.
We can bring back
I'm
the
going to see what the boy look artistic.
Bring it back.
Oh. Bring it up on me sleep.
I'm proud of myself. Can I go for my champagne? I'm buy it today. Hey, sister, girl. Get up. I buy one shot. No, I broke it in. I buy one champagne today. Coffee.
Which one?
You make a bust it now.
Yeah, that's the song.
It's not alcohol. I'm not sure. What? I'm going to make an answer, mommy. Hold on.
Guys, champagne.
No, I can't put it in there. Them go. Use up probably shit my life.
Wow.
I mean why? Because I think it's alcohol night. But
No alcohol. Not alcohol. Yeah, sure.
I'm not sure, chat, but I buy. Put it back in Africa. You go and cool. We're not cool. You go and cool. What do you mean by trouble? Me, I drink.
I thought they could give me some.
I'm alone. No, baby, but me alone. I drink that, baby. I'm sorry.
You say it's here?
Yeah, so I see.
I have to give me some coming up.
Chat, so. Mother touchy. So, since Sinasipi the chat, to just type. No, definitely not. You know why?
What?
Don't make me have nothing. Don't show me no phone. But you're not getting money.
No, me show you them something.
Exactly why you show me that for? You not get no more phone. I'm tired to buy you phone now. Bye bye.
Bye.
I'm tired to give you phone.
Wow, one time I give
Sorry.
Who that? Who other person there?
Listen me, Lami, howdy. Later on, Not not tell anyone me and you are gonna want three-way call here about something here. So later on in the come off we're gonna want three-way call.
Misha,
Did
Misha,
it fix
send
the
me one
link?
Galaxy, send me something to Misha.
Honey, did fix the link in your bio? The Amazon wish
Yeah,
list fix it?
yeah, you can call me later, me go fix it.
You have to fix it, Lami. Alright, me I go call you later and we fix it. Alright, and it'll work because somebody just go on again go purchase. You can look on your other phone here. Somebody just test it. I'm sending to them email. So guys, anybody who can get onto it, just inbox me on the email and we can send the link direct. Send the link directly to Lami wishlist. Guys, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Alright, take me down, Lami. Later we talk. Remember, I know we're gonna want three-way call later.
Alright.
Alright, hang on. Take me down there. Take me down.
Natalie, you made this something? Baby, moderator not give over here, no baby.
What you feeling like? What you feeling like?
The different face this. Oh, you get what your main face. On the phone.
Fix the light. I think me go take it down. Me go wait till my sister baby father come from her later and beg him fix it for me. Can you say?
Look at the older sir.
You not gonna hurt?
I work to my girl. Let's see, man. I learned this one.
Me I try to get the link. Alright, so this is the link, right? Copy link. Chat portabs, all who now follow me chat. Everybody who now follow me. Misha baby, you can't send me something, Misha. Misha, I make it 2 Galaxy there, please. Type.
Maybe premature all of them answers. 9 weeks.
Alright, send it to me email again, Debu. Send it to me email again. Gail, thank you, baby. Gail, thank you, boo. Until them a drop down, they like them a drop down.
Yeah, I didn't see that 4 pieces.
Alright, so me go try it today.
Yeah, it's about to wash.
Just open them up for you.
And then I create a
T-shirt and then open up the t-shirt.
What do you?
I'll see it one, 2, 3.
They look cute.
I know.
Alright, so copy link. I'm gonna try to put it now in my bio, right?
Anisha, in one say the photo we put up, I'm looking at.
Chat, you can go click, you can go in my bio and look if you not see the link there, please.
We show, we sent it yesterday.
Right?
Come on, Joe.
Who was the baby, the Anisha?
Yeah.
No, I see, can you? But you know the big picture of me. Everyone here. I'm not gonna make a drop, but they could tell me say, baby, I'm a girl, come with the dust move. Chat power tops.
Oh my god, this now. I'm gonna go for the this time.
Yeah, for you can buy the next shirt, you know, next shirt also.
Get up, my girl. We are showing me a pity them for. But you know all of them look already. From the ugliest to the prettiest. Lamasha, which part you fall?
Don't call me name.
Which part you fall?
What do you mean which part me fall?
Man.
Let's not have that conversation.
Oh yeah.
Chat power top.
Oh yeah, just say you have to test.
No, baby, this is not one new page. This is my main page. This is my main page.
Yeah?
Mommy, that is not me as a baby, so I don't.
You don't want to?
Let's get them on.
This too sharp, you know. This can't be.
Chat power top. Go on, turn up right this again.
It's too sharp.
Don't answer nobody, please. Don't answer them, boy. Don't answer them, boy. Oh, me stop mix them because them nonsense commenting pay me. We answer what it's getting me paid. Oh. It good man, it good. It good man. I mean, father got there fight all my buckets them, baby.
So, you all wanna fight them?
You love. Me and God. Father God. Who is you, man?
So, I'm gonna fight. Alright. I better want to just drop this, you know.
Me no answer for. I'm taking all of that.
Okay.
I take all of that energy there.
I'm doing a better.
The link on my post no good. Want me tweet? Want me to link on my post?
Anybody will put up this?
That's what I'm gonna do, boo, man. Take all of the energy there and focus it on myself. Right now, I need a lot of focus because I don't know way in life right now, to be honest. And right now, I want to put myself on a level way. You see me? So I take all of the energy there right now and just push it in on myself, brother, and focus. Right now, focus is the main thing I need right now. I need my focus. I need it.
Well, it dropped down right now. Where's forward?
Good job. Me I try put the link. Where me in the link not good? I'm just there try signing. I say, John, where me in the link not good?
You're so good like a dog.
When I see it on my page,
You're lucky, I don't. Suck your mother, I don't. Stop. Yeah, pop down. Anybody will put it up the first time they will put it up.
my side, I'm go check out the Amazon.
Anybody will put it up the first time, they will put it up good. Let's mark it in my video. Please put it up. Maybe it does a bag, we have to take out the second one more time.
No, please, me I beg you, no. Positivity only. I'm begging you guys. Positivity only. We are focused on the wish list right now. Yeah, I think we have enough enter on the email. You know the middle this to go?
Yeah, through the angle.
Which angle?
This. So one angle, no, where pull it for?
So where this I go there?
In the back of your son.
Oh. Positivity, no, please stop come and say, oh, my friend this and she bad man and she this and she that. Please. That don't make no sense. My friend been there with me. You get me and say she been there. So just please stop.
I'm coming here for do God.
Everything which she follow me go town and all of them something them. You get me and say just stop do that. It feel uncomfortable. Before me even up on TikTok, my friend there with me. Natalie, thank you, baby. See, remember that day I said, from me a pitney, from me a 6-year-old, I know Alia.
From
me and my friend come from far. You not make me and my friendship broke up. I'm very, very, very sorry. Then I go. Oh, she come on the chair. What's wrong? I think I better.
Look at my life.
So for me.
Mommy, but you know, I crazy glue them off to go buy one and some of the glue over there.
Tell him what you want to use and make him do it.
Alright, call him then. But it has stick,
Me and
watch him.
Marlo don't
It has
talk.
stick, but
So call him. Marlo!
Then I can dash her.
How much I call
Nobody
him?
make them stay in it, don't worry. Just
What?
dash them
So
out.
Shabba, you have to put up this year.
Sure? Yeah, that shit was gone.
Dash them out to show all corrosion.
So Shabba, you have to put up this.
That shit was.
Yeah, show her for dash it with you now. This and the chill,
And glue and buy one glue. Yeah, you have to send in the number and all of them. I think we have Amazon already on.
We have to get out of him. You say son, girl?
No, make it come on. Make it much meat. I don't want it in.
dash it way.
In and out of space to sit
Dash it
chair.
way.
That's your what? More
In and out of space to so much chair.
Corrosion.
Mommy can go in the living room or something, but it's not in my room, please.
Corrosion. Look at the ground a shock.
What
Look
that
at
mean?
the ground a shock.
What that mean?
Hey! Look at
Girl, your foot under the ground.
what you mean by another fucking ground? I tell you what
Your foot I get stitches, girl. All the ground for your shot, idiot.
because the place wet and the way them from it.
Mommy, stand up on the mirror and feel if it's a shock for you. What do you mean by oh? You feel shock for you?
No.
Shock me so
I
much.
put your shop.
I swear.
Mommy, please.
What be a shock in there? I don't understand it no
When I say
man.
shot, you know, I say shock.
Yes, I'm a shock me I say too. This good or no good? Talk to me.
It's good, what do you mean?
no.
I'm a good extension.
Tell them and say I buy my juice and make stuff here.
Mommy, every time you
Job at this.
buy a juice,
Friend, job at this one, you can't wipe up the place.
all the dramatics in there. Hello, may I beg you please? If you can put it in my phone, please.
We glue on the stand. We glue over the stand.
Yeah, give me friend.
I'm gonna share it because I feel like it's just
Mommy, where am up there?
And then this was awesome.
I'm gonna go for more favor.
Thank you very much, mommy.
My friend want one big water and one glue. What's that water?
Yeah, which over my ear, money use?
I'm gonna walk back. Oh, yeah, I'm going to go back. Walk back and everything on the yard.
I'm full. What a phone for me.
Wait a minute.
Two side tape. What's this? Miss Natalie, make the poll for me already? But me put one address on it, Natalie, I don't understand.
Emma, sit here.
Yeah?
Sit here.
There you go.
I want the light.
I want crazy glue, me I go buy. Yes, Natalie, say if I can help her. I'm sassy me the already give. What address today, you know? You send our address, man.
Lami, listen me. The address is there. Somebody just buy it and screenshot and send it and send the picture to me DM. Me I go send it to you and show you. The person buys something and it went straight to the address in Florida. I bought the first item because I tested it. It is there, guys. The mailing address is there. Me just send Natalia. So Natalia go show you, sort it out and show it on your page. Everything is there. The mailing address is there. The shipping address means that goes straight to Florida. Where you place them? Doral or whatever in Florida. Guys, it's there. Just buy it and if you follow it, I go straight to Lami shipping address, guys. Just follow. Everything is there. Everything clear. Somebody buy and send it to me, Lami. I go send it to you and show the person buy and send it to me and say thank you, Sassy.
If you can read me the link, the link in my bio, it'll work.
All right, look here. Here what gonna happen. Just add the item and check it out. That's all you have to do. Just add the item, go to checkout, then you go see the shipping address and Doral, Miami. Exactly. And if you scroll right down to the bottom, you're gonna see the shipping address. Go on the link when I send you Lami with your other phone. On the Amazon. Go open the Amazon account and go down to the bottom, you're gonna see everything. Everything is there. It's working.
The link where you send me?
No, the Amazon members say me open you know so you can see everything. So you can go in there and see the list. Okay. And then, all right, when you go in there, I'm going to teach you. Go in there now. Are you in it?
Yeah,
all right, go in there. Now you're going to hit manage. Hold on, Lami. Look on the right hand corner. You're going to see manage.
That's something for pure one.
All right, hold on. It is now the first fast acting. The one in a Lami need to delete that out there. Yes, it is there, guys. The shipping. All right. Look on the right hand corner. You see manage.
I'm seeing add item and 3 dots.
No, yes, you see manage. Don't you see manage?
No,
all right. Click on the 3 dot. Click on the 3 dot. Click on the 3 dot. All right. Click on the 3 dot. You see manage?
Yes, remove list members, search list, show items.
No, you need to see manage. Go back. Come off of that. Go back on the front page. Hold on there.
I'm seeing some names.
Hold on there. Lami, the one on your page. Delete the one off of your page. Take it off completely. That's not right. All right, we're going to fix it. Hold on. Don't move. I'm going to look past something. Don't move.
So the one on the bottom page, you must remove it. Eh? But it'll bring me straight to it. When I click the link, it'll bring me straight to it. So I'm going to delete it still because I'm going to classy bio and see which part that's in here. So
all right, no. Go back on the front page. Come out it and go back in there. You're gonna see the 3 dots on the right hand, the 3 vertical dots. You're gonna click the dot. And then it all right. When you click the dot now, look on the left hand side. You're gonna see manage list. You're gonna see this dot and then you're gonna see manage list. Click on manage list. You see it now? Right on your left. So hold on.
That's not
all right.
good.
Hold on. Come off of this, sir. All right. Go back, Pony. Hit up on the top and say Lami's list. All right. Go back on the 3. Look at that now.
Yeah.
Click on the 3. Look at that. You see it? All right. Look on the left hand side now. Hold up to the camera and see it again, please.
You not
And the
sure
manage
that,
this?
no, you not sure that none at all.
Alright. I'm gonna send you one more invite. Alright, take me down there. Let me send you over the invite, Lami. Take me down, baby. Add one love. One love vibes I talk to you.
Hey, sweetheart. How you doing, darling?
I'm fine. What's up?
I'm okay. It's not that the link is not working, okay? The link is actually working, but Sassy needs to add the address to make it to the fact where we can just click and then purchase. Because when I click on the link, I can see all your products, but when I see all your products, I can only add it to my cart. It's not saying to buy it. So she needs to private the address. So it's there. The link is okay, but people are having an issue to order. So she needs to go back into the settings for your wish list and then make the address private so we can just ship directly to you. So the wish list is there. We can see everything, but it's not allowing us to buy it directly to send to your address. So that's what she needs to edit.
Okay. So she needs to edit it and make the address private.
She needs to go and then do it like that, because when you add it to the cart, when I add an item to the cart, it's basically telling me it's sending it to my address. So she needs to set it to the point where it's sending to your address.
Okay. Hello?
It's able to work from what's
I
her
say I
name?
remember on live now and one love talk. Michelle say you have to edit the wish list and put my address in a private so that when them order it can come directly to my address. So you need to change it up because when them add it
It's the settings. It's the settings. The address is there, but it's the settings for people to add it directly because it's going to my cart. Yes, exactly, Candy. So that's the issue. So the link is opening and everything. It's just that it's when it's sending out. That's the issue.
hold on.
Yes, Chinese. It's the settings. It's the settings. The address is there. Everything is there. It's the settings that needs to change. That's all. Everything is working. It's just the settings that needs to change. I'm trying to get into your account. I'm gonna go into your account.
Here, it did it, man. One love. Check it again. It's there.
Check it again? Okay, let me go on it. Let me go on it right now. Hold on. Let me go on it. I'm gonna go on it right now and do it. Hold on.
Hello?
Alright.
Hello?
You must see it. It did it, chat. You see that? It did it. It did it. Alright, Nasi. Later, Nasi.
Rain is falling. Yo, man.
No, I couldn't get no green. I want to tell you, everything is not about you, no baby, and green is not my favorite color. Green is your favorite color. You have enough green for me already. You just want take me and turn me in a walk. When I love myself again. I have enough green for you, baby. And I have a lot of more green things to get. Chat, I just did it. I'm going to update the link in my bio. I'm going to try to update it. I'm going to go down here. Chat, I'm going to change it, right? Man said I'm going to check out that now. You can check out the wish list now. Check it out now.
I'll go smoke cigarette. I'll go smoke cigarette.
Chad, power taps my side, power tap. If I go to the Florida address my side, if you don't want help out, just help out. The link in my bio, it goes straight to the address.
Turn the phone off from the phone, please. One of them days, I sleep on Friday, Saturday, wake up on Sunday morning and make some Sunday dinner for my family, you know. Because remember some of your family in Laverne. Laverne. Me and the boy we never did have. Understand? Laverne? You understand? I know I'm dinner so.
Chad, power tap strong.
I don't know much of my little sister and we get a big lick. We get a lick till she's sick. You know that, right?
Girl, stop on your zone and go. You could lick me, made a fight every day.
No, so we get a big muckle. Where you come from?
Made a fight every day we got.
Where you come from?
I'm not taking no lick.
Where you come from?
Chat, I just re-add about the link in my bio. I just re-add about the link in my bio, chat. Okay?
You see what you did wrong by one of the children now.
Right.
Okay, you want to talk to this?
Yeah. One by one. But another though, I buy the Ottoman.
Yeah, me I better after my man.
You can buy me?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm going to get my birthday present. Me and wait upon it.